So I've been getting a lot of questions on the way that I do my brows. So I'm about to give you all a short tutorial on just that. So here I am. As you can see, I had my spoolie and my pomade, and that pomade is in the shade Espresso Brown. I'm taking that pomade, filling my brows in, building up on the consistency of it, not starting off dark, because if you start off too dark, you could possibly mess the brow up. By starting light, you can build up on it if need to be. So just doing my last minute touches on that, taking my spoolie and dragging the excess product to the front to give it a more natural look. I never start filling in the front of my brows. Also, I'm using my concealer from Juvia's Place and my angle brush to give my eyebrows a more defined look and a more snatched look. So outlining the bottom, then I'm going to do the same on the top. Boom. Next, I'm going to go in with my brush and blend that concealer right on out. Blending is key, so blend, blend, blend. You don't want to be walking around with that halo looking all crazy. So make sure you blend that concealer in. Next, I'm going to go in with my eyebrow gel. And the eyebrow gel is in the shade dark brown. And this is just going to lock everything into place and set the brow. As you can see, there's a big difference between the one that is filled and the one that is not. So basically, I'm going to do the same steps on my other brow. Keep in mind when you're doing your brows, they do not have to match. They are sisters and not twins. But me, on the other hand, I like my brows to be as close as possible. So like I said, I've been getting a lot of questions on the way that I do my brows. So hopefully this mini tutorial was very helpful to you ladies. And if you have any other things you would like me to touch bases on, any other tutorials you'll like to see from me, feel free to please let me know, because I will get these videos up and posted for you ladies. Anything that would be helpful for you, I'll just let me know. So make sure you please like and follow me at NisiMichelle_artistry to see more videos, more tutorials, and more looks. Also, make sure you book your appointments, ladies, to get those eyebrows snatched like mine's. So thank you ladies for watching, and like I said, please let me know if you would like to see more tutorials from me. Please let me know. Thank you all for watching, and see you guys soon.